And here we have an original 1966 GT40, the same GT40 that Ken Miles drove to victory. What's cool about it is that if you look up right there, there's an original photo from that race when it finished in second place. And then right next to it, we have an original 1964 Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. I can't imagine how much money both these cars are worth. This is just so awesome to see. You know what, guys? Let's see if we can try to catch up with Chris and see if he can give us a quick tour of the shop. Maybe they're working on something new. Who knows? Maybe the GT500 Super Snake? What year is this?
This is a 2018. This is the SEMA show car. We just put a new motor in it.
How much horsepower?
Like 850.
These wheels are called what?
These are Super Snake wheels, and this is the only car to ever get us it. And then this has been on tour, so it's been out and about. It's an automatic.
So what do we have here? This is a Shelby 1000?
This is a 2017 Shelby 1000. It's getting ready to deliver to the customer. This guy started off as a 2017 GT Coyote 5-liter. We take the motor out, stroked it out to a 5.2-liter Coyote, put a 4.5-liter blower on top, Trimec transmission, 9-inch independent rear suspension. It puts out a little over 1,000 at the tire.
And this is painted stripes?
This is a painted stripe car. It's lightning blue.
Lightning blue.
What is that black color called? Shadow black.
We don't have lightning blue anymore, do we? On the new.
No, it's a 2017 color, and this is a 2017, so nice fitting color.
How rare is this thing? Because I'll be honest, I haven't seen one of these Shelby 1000s at all.
Both of them are still here. We've got 2 that have been built so far, and neither of them are completed fully. So.
Then how long is the production time on this one?
This one here, we're just over a year on. The valve covers on here are CNC machined. I believe we got them from MMR. Just over-the-top stuff for an over-the-top motor. We did some machine work on these ourselves to customize them for the 1000, but if you want a set, you got to buy a 1000.
One thing I love about Mustangs is that you can do so much to them to make them look so unique. Even this wide body kit, I really haven't seen a wide body kit that looks quite like it. And over here towards the rear of the vehicle, it just looks so like muscular, just so mean. I really do like it. I understand why people are ordering the wide body kits for these vehicles. How big are these 345 tires in the rear? Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. So Shelby has GT500s here. Are they working on something? Are they working on something special? Well, we're not gonna know quite yet. I can't wait to find out. And this right here is a Super Snake F-150?
Yeah, we're just getting ready to install the blower. I have a 2.9 Whipple that's going on. It's gonna bump it up to 750 horse.
Is that a new design?
This is a new grill that we sell right here. Normally the Super Snake F-150 doesn't get Super Snake stripes, so we painted stripe.
Yeah.
So he just came back from paint and he's in assembly now. We did a platinum 2017 color, and we also did the right brakes on this car too. We'd like to do a nice true big brake on there.
And that's for the badge, right? So
yeah, we're gonna cut this off. Yeah, because this is gonna be venting. They'll cut it out.
So that's painted too down there?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Painted stripe. Normally all the F-150 Super Snakes are built in Tuscany and Elkhart, Indiana. This is the first one that we've ever built. We build Shelby F-150s, we build Shelby Raptors, but this is the first Super Snake F-150.
And here's something that I really do like. You don't see many of these.
This is a carbon fiber hood.
Really?
These hoods, when they first came out, the replacement cost was 20 grand. Ford sent us these cars as stock GT500s, and then we upfitted them with stuff like the suspension work, the cold air intake, the exhausts. The cool carbon fiber hood, some of the other accents in carbon like the mirror caps and rockers.
The new 2020 GT500 King of the Road. You think we're going to see something like that?
I would love to see one of those. I'm not sure if you'll see one or not, but that would be pretty awesome.
Now, all these, I believe, are waiting to be built into either a Shelby GT or a Shelby Super Snake. Whatever they're planned, I think the paper on the windshields laying everything out. Is this a Bullet?
2019 Bullet Super Snake, and this one was going to be a wide body when we're done.
I never thought I'd ever hear of a Mustang Bullet Super Snake. Did you guys offer that with the old Bullets?
No, we didn't make Super Snakes out of bullets back then. So this generation, we use GTs for the Super Snakes. So
and that's right, yeah, because the GT500 Super Snake was the only Super Snake available. Okay.
Exactly.
So you're gonna keep the bullet badges, right?
Yes.
But then on the seats, it's gonna say Super Snake.
And I did get him a special green stitch on his seat.
A green stitch. And then badges, right? Super Snake on the sides. Oh, yeah. Then the front and back, is it going to say Bullet or Super Snake?
It will say Super Snake. On the exterior, it's really not going to say Bullet anywhere, but anyone that sees Highland Green is going to know Bullet. This one here is just our most track-inspired car, so it's a level above the Super Snake for the same model year.
So what exactly did you guys do to the Mustang to make this package?
Penske Racing suspension. It has a Whipple 2.9. So it's about 750 horsepower. We call it 750. They're closer to 800.
And for those of you who don't quite know what a turlingua is, mind explaining what exactly it stands for?
Kind of a throwback to Carroll Shelby and his buddies. They threw down on some property over in West Texas, essentially an entire town they bought out. They wanted to do a resort community, kind of like Palm Springs. And unfortunately, it never took off. So Carroll and his buddies, they would go, they tell the ladies they're going out to go hunting, which meant, you know, drinking beer and playing cards all weekend. And it was on one of those trips out there that Bill Neal, one of Carroll's buddies, drew this this badge, the Terlingua badge, and he started talking about the tribes of Terlingua and how it was a sacred place for the Indians. And Carroll said, "Oh, well, I've never heard that story, Neil. Where's that story from?" And Neil says, "Oh, hell, I just made that story up." Well, the guys eventually got some stickers together, and I guess in '59 they went to the Indy 500. They tagged every car except for the winning car with Terlingua stickers. And later on, Carroll decided to build his own car. He got a driver by the name of Jerry Titus, and Jerry Titus went out there and ended up winning the 1967 Trans Am Championship, driving a car that was badged as the Terlingua Racing Team Mustang, otherwise known as the Shelby American Mustang, Carroll's car.
These two oranges look very different than each other. And so which one is this one?
This is the brand new Twister Orange.
Twister Orange, and that's?
Orange Fury.
Orange Fury. What do you guys think? Competition Orange or the new Twister Orange for a Shelby Mustang? What is that?
840 at the tire.
840, this is a whole
with a wide body,
right?
whole shot. Normally figure 18% drivetrain loss on a wide body versus 15 on the standard. So at 840, he's just over 1,000 horsepower at the crank.
Let's see which Super Snake sounds better, man. The 2014 GT500 Super Snake versus the S5. Oh god, that sounds so mean. Let's turn this thing on, guys. It's nice in here. I really do like the S550 body style Mustangs. So here we go. Start button. Please let us know in the comment section down below which car you think actually sounds better. This right here, this is the only other 1000 Shelby, S550 Shelby 1000 in existence, right?
This is the concept. This is the one that you guys came out and taped when we did the unveiling at our SEMA show. Just got back from France. It was over there for about a year, and like I said, they're pretty rare. There's only two, this one and the black one over across the street.
What was it doing in France?
They had it on display for our Shelby dealers over in Europe. They wanted to put it on, so it hit a lot of the big auto shows over there. This is ruby red, but the cool thing about this car is I'm sure you've probably ridden in it, because this used to be a car that we did the ride and drives on. This was a race red 2015 Shelby GT. And when we painted this car, because you look, you can't tell, but they did leave the reveal inside the door. So you can see the original race red, and if you check out the CSM number on the dashboard on this car, it's still badged as the Shelby GT, which I think it was the C car in 2000.
Yep, Shelby GT. What does it say? It says VIN number 20, 2P. So 2 pre-production, right?
2 prototypes. None of the Shelby GTs exist anymore. They are all, the yellow one turned into the Terlingua. This red one turned into the 1000. The black one turned into the development Terlingua that Vince always drives. So none of those Shelby GT prototype concept cars are around anymore, unless you consider this still a prototype Shelby GT.
Anyways, guys, let's go to wrap up our tour here at Shelby American. It's always so cool just checking out all the cars they have here on display, especially this Terlingua right here, and you talking about the backstory behind it. Anyways, though, thanks, Chris. I really appreciate the tour. If you guys want a Shelby vehicle, this is the guy to go to. You want to share your contact information?
Absolutely. You can get a hold of me at my email address, chrisr@shelby.com, right here, or you can find me at my Instagram page, chris_rubyz, right here.
So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. It really does help me out. And also subscribe for much more great videos to come. While you do that, hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Thanks again, and I'll see all of you in the next episode.